Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're on a mission to tone and sculpt those inner thighs, you're in for a treat. We've got a lineup of 4 incredible standing exercises that are going to help you melt away that stubborn inner thigh fat. The insights we're about to share, courtesy of Eat This, will have you feeling confident and strong. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more fitness tips. Let's jump into these thigh sculpting moves. Inner thigh fat can be quite a challenge, but fear not. Eat This has uncovered 4 standing exercises that specifically target this area, helping you achieve those toned and sculpted legs you desire. What's great about these exercises is that they're all done standing up, so you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Get ready to engage those inner thigh muscles in ways you might not have tried before. Let's break down these moves. We've got sumo squats, lateral leg lifts, curtsy lunges, and standing leg circles. Each exercise zeroes in on different muscles in your inner thighs, helping you burn fat and build strength. Technique is key, ladies and gents. Pay attention to your form to make the most of each move. And remember, quality over quantity. Start with a comfortable number of reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Consistency is your best friend here. Incorporate these exercises into your regular routine and watch as your inner thigh fat starts to melt away. You've got this. Beyond just the physical changes, remember that these exercises are about empowering yourself and boosting your confidence. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress along the way.